Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I got my beautiful little niece with me.
Yes.
What's your name?
Hannah.
So I'm currently in Sweden, so I'm staying at my little niece's house. So she's like, you know, can I do your makeup? And here we are, right?
Doing her makeup.
She's doing my makeup. This is the look that we did.
Yeah.
Or you did. I didn't do nothing.
Yes.
So you know, it actually looks really nice on camera.
Yeah.
Look at the highlight. Look at the highlight. Ooh, highlights popping.
Highlights are
Highlighting popping. So yeah, if you guys want to follow me on my socials, I'll put it down below here. And she's on TikTok, so you guys can follow her on her TikTok because she's been teaching me how to do a couple dances and stuff. So you can check that out on TikTok. But with no further ado, let's get into the video. What are you gonna start with?
me. I'm going to start with the eyebrows.
Okay, no, my face needs a bit of cream, babes.
Okay, then do it.
You're my makeup artist.
Give me your hand.
You want me to put it on? Do I meant to put it on? Okay, I'll put it on. I might as well do my own makeup, no? If you're not doing it properly. Okay,
Honey, I can't have that.
What?
I can't have the attitude.
Attitude sticks.
What did you say?
I love you.
What did you say?
I said I love you.
Suaad or Ante. She get on my nerves.
You're my makeup artist today. If you do a good job today, I'm gonna come to you every day. Oh my god, my hijab's from my lord, hey?
It was at this moment that he knew.
Should I do that?
Don't make my my wig fall off.
Wig, okay.
My hijabi wig.
I don't know what this is, but I'm using this.
Ooh, I like that, hey? It's like an eyebrow gel.
Okay, this. Oh my gosh. I'm making it.
Eternity later.
So what kind of makeup look are you going for today?
I'm going for a clown makeup.
What looks like a joke?
Yeah.
What a time to be alive. So tell them the process, what you're doing now.
So I'm putting this concealer on. Wait, they can't even see it. I see, you guys see what I'm dealing with? Do you see? What kind of auntie are you?
You know you love me.
Huh?
You know you love me.
Yeah, close your eyes, please. Go with the flow.
Alright, we like that. The first question says,
Okay.
do you believe in ghosts?
No,
You don't believe in ghosts?
I don't. Wait, I don't know.
What?
I
You
don't,
need to choose yes or no. You have no choice.
I don't think so. No.
You don't believe in it?
It goes under your bed and stuff.
No, just ghosts in general, like
Shaitan, I'm not.
is ghost Shaitan?
I don't know. Maybe. Do you?
No, I don't believe in ghosts.
Okay then.
I don't think ghosts are real, you know?
Me too.
Okay, what would you do if you swapped roles with your parents? So
I
if you was
would
the parent for
actually-
the day, what would you do?
Actually, like, try to drive a car.
Okay.
Go to whatever places my dad and mom don't let me to go.
To open your own shop,
Able to open my own shop.
yeah?
Yeah.
What would you be selling?
I would be selling clothes.
Okay. Would you design your own clothes?
Yeah. Or maybe help from my family.
Okay. One country that you could go on holiday to.
I want to go to London.
You wanna go? Have you never been to London?
No, I have actually never been to London.
That's fine. If you come, I'll take you out. I'll show you everywhere.
Maybe I want to go to, yeah, just London, yeah.
Yeah.
Beauty, and then use this one. So, look up for some more.
If you was to become a teacher for the day,
Yeah.
what would you teach?
PE.
You like PE?
Yeah.
Oh wow. What sport?
What sport?
Yeah, what sport? What would you teach in PE specific?
Basketball.
You like basketball?
Yeah.
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 Which Disney princess did you like the most?
I think Cinderella.
You like Cinderella?
Yeah, I used to watch that.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna ask you dilemmas, yeah? So you have two friends.
Okay.
They both want to be your best friends.
Yeah. And they hate each
No,
other.
and then no. Who would you choose? You like one more than the other. What would you do?
I would be best friend with the one that I like.
You'd only be best friends with the one you like?
Yeah.
What about the other one?
The other one can be my friend.
Your best friend invited you to go to her house to like have fun there.
Yeah.
Like, do activities that you guys like. Your parents said it's okay, but you have a lot of homework to do. What would you do?
I would listen to my parents.
No, your parents said you can go to your friend's house, and but you know that you have a lot of school homework left. What would you do?
I would take the homework, do the homework.
So you would
There's a
go
lot.
home, do your homework first?
Yeah, so I don't need to think about the homework.
Okay, and then?
And then I go to my best friend's house. Hey, if you guys have TikTok, follow me.
She wants you to follow on her TikTok, okay? I'll put your TikTok name here so they can follow you, okay? Started using
Bad language.
Bad language, yeah? But you don't like to use bad language.
Okay.
So they said you could only be friends with them if you use bad words as well. What
I
would you
would
do?
have left them.
Hmm?
I would have left them.
You would leave them?
Yeah.
You wouldn't want to be friends with them?
No.
You would make new friends?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why be friends with someone that's like using your bad language
But there's
and
people
forcing you to say like speak it, do the things they do? Oh
Yeah,
hell no, I'm not doing that.
You wouldn't want to be a follower, yeah? That's good. Always be your own leader.
Right? Close your eyes, please.
I want to go on holiday.
I want to go on holiday. Jag vill gå på en resa.
Jag vill, vad?
Jag
Yeah.
vill
Vill
gå
gå
på
på
en
en
resa.
resa.
Ja.
Okej. Jag vill gå
På
på
en
en
resa.
Some hard language, babes. Oh my, ow! I got a concussion, mate.
Me,
Who's your favorite YouTubers?
YouTuber.
Oh.
You.
Oh.
Just kidding. I don't watch YouTube that much. I just like,
You
yeah.
do?
Yeah, I watch more TikTok.
Okay, who's your favorite TikTokers?
Well, I think, well, it used to be Avani.
Who?
Avani.
I'm a savage. Acting bougie ratchet. Oh, who's it? What was happening?
Duh. I'm almost done.
Oh, okay then.
Oh,
I'm
oh,
excited to see how it would look like. Should I look up or down?
Up,
Okay.
down, down. Up, 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 up. Wait, I need lipstick. I'm using this lipstick. I don't know. Go ahead, say the name.
NARS.
NARS,
I'm gonna
okay.
use some NARS lipstick. I don't use it by itself, but
What do you use it then?
it's fine. You can do whatever you want, babes.
Stop saying babes, I have a name.
Sorry, Hannah.
I'm not. Like, can you blend it? Like something.
Gonna make me glow or what?
So this is highlighter, like Fenty Beauty.
It's beauty all day, every day.
Wait.
Oh, this way.
I'm not good at height.
Can I get the reveal?
Reveal. Yeah, go ahead and look at your phone.
Can I look at this? Yeah? Is everything done, yeah?
Everything is done.
You know.
Oh,
I like how you
thank
did the eyeshadow.
Wait, the brush is not.
On camera it actually looks really good.
What?
I said on camera it actually looks really good.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but real life it looks messed up, huh?
No, I never said that. Did I ever say that?
Yeah, because you're trying to say that.
You're talking too much at the moment. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, did you enjoy it?
Yeah, very much.
Yeah? Are you happy with the end product? You?
Yes.
I'm very happy too. I'm gonna go out like this now.
Wallahi?
Yeah?
Wallahi. You need to say.
Why so short? What? Can I not go out like this? I'm gonna go out.
Okay
And I'm
then.
gonna go get some food from outside and stuff and go sit like this.
Without me. Wow.
Oh, you wanna come? You can come. We're gonna all go on a date together.
Ah! What did you just say?
We're all gonna go out to eat together.
Okay, good. Okay, so bye guys.
So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.